so this video is going to be a get ready with me video for Saraswati Puja, and we know that girls wear saris and boys wear Punjabis on that day. So I'm gonna create a makeup look, a outfit look and everything for the puja. I may or may not be wearing the same look on that day, but still I'm gonna try. Main thing, I haven't prepared anything for today's video, like what I'm gonna wear, what jewelry I'm gonna wear, what makeup I should do. I haven't prepared anything. All I know is I'm gonna create a quirky eye makeup look and that's it. So let's find out the sari first. So come with me. Okay, so my first task is finding the sari, and I'm doing that. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, I'm showing you. Wait. Okay, so these are my mom's sari and my saris are over there. Though I don't have that much saris, so I have to find something from my mom's. All right, let's see. Oh, don't look at there. It's messed up. Okay, so let me find. Right. I found this white sari, as you can see. This white sari. I have pictures of wearing this sari. If you are not following me on Instagram, then you are doing mistake. You're doing a big mistake. So please, girls, follow me. The page link is in the description box, so please check out. Okay, so now, and the thing is, like, this is a white sari. The main thing is it's a white sari, and white can't go wrong. Like white, black, they can't go wrong. And this sari have these multiple colors like black, red, green, yellow, golden, a bit of golden, shimmery golden. So I can pair it up with different colors. Alright, so I'm wearing this green blouse with the white sari. Alright, so the makeup should be something of green color. Let's see what I do. First, I'm gonna do my makeup, then I'll wear the sari and jewelry and everything. That's how it makes everything easy. So yeah, let's first, okay, let's start with skincare. First, I'm gonna prep my skin with this L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum, and I have the review on my channel of this product. So if you want to check out, then please check the description box, and the card is here as well. It's helpful. So I'm just gonna take 3 drops of it, and that will be enough for my skin. Now it's time for moisturizer, and I'm gonna moisturize. First of all, like, you will get to hear some noise, background noise. Please don't mind, because my mic is broken, so I have to do it without the mic. So please focus on my voice and the visual. All right, so now I'm gonna moisturize my face with this moisturizer. It's from Wow Apple Cider Vinegar Oil Free Face Moisturizer. Helps prevent oiliness and hydrate skin. Taking a little bit because the less amount of this product is enough. You'll get to see that. Just so my skincare is done. Now I'll wear the makeup. Okay, now starting my makeup with the base, and for base I am using concealer because I'm not a foundation person. I never wear foundation, never ever I wear foundation. So I am wearing concealer, and my concealer is from NY Bay. As you can see, NY Bay HD Spotless Liquid Concealer. Shade is a Milk Chocolate Pretzel. Yeah, Milk Chocolate Pretzel. I love their concealer. I already have their stick concealer, NY Bay stick concealer. I love. It's perfect for daily wear. As you can see, and it's the shade golden. Golden. I love the concealer. It stays for long and it gives coverage, and I always want my concealer to be light coverage and light to medium coverage, because I'm not a full coverage person. So yeah, light to medium is perfect for me. And this, wow, it gives light to medium coverage, and you can build it. So yeah, you can build it up to full coverage as well. Why? Shit, I don't use concealer like this. I always apply like this and this. Oh god, this chit chat get ready with me is not for me. not for me because I get distracted. Oh no. All right, a little bit here. I am so messed up person. Yeah, that's it. Oh, a little bit here as well. Oh. Okay, now I'm gonna use okay, so now I'm gonna set my base, just set my under eyes and everything with this Maybelline New York compact powder, because I'm not gonna use the loose powder today because it just makes my skin cakey and I don't want that. That's why I'm just gonna use this compact powder under my eyes, and before applying I do what's perfect for me. Okay, now I'm gonna do my eyebrows with the Maybelline New York the Hypercurl Volume Mix mascara, because currently I am obsessed doing my eyebrows with mascara. I think it's just perfect. I feel that you may not feel that. I think my eyebrows are done pretty much. So for the eyeshadow, I'm just gonna use this Hilary Rhoda palette which I got from local store. Okay, so now I'm taking this color right here. Yeah, it's kind of a dark, it's a brick shade. I don't know what kind of yeah, it's very maroonish brown or brownish maroon. I don't know, that's kind of color. It's not orange, all right, it's not orange. For the crease, let's see how it goes. Okay, so I'm not applying the eyeshadow here. I'm just applying the eyeshadow, the crease. I'm taking this. Now I'm taking this lighter shade of this color. Yeah, to apply on the crease for more density. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Now it's time to put on the eyeliner. And for eyeliner, I have this again NYB. I love NYB. Yeah, again I have the NYB Shakti Mohan collection. I have another product of Shakti Mohan collection, which is a nail color, but this is a green eyeliner. I love the packaging of Shakti Mohan collection. This is a green eyeliner, as you can see. I love the color. I really love the color. And now let's apply. The tip is too thin. Yeah, that's weird. I'm not good at wearing eyeliners because my hands shake a lot and then everything gets ruined. This is my wand, my weapon. Okay, the liner would be like, my hand is shaking. Ooh, this color, my camera is not capturing what I am seeing right now. I can't talk right now, guys. I'm doing hot girl shit. Look how precisely I have done this wing. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. Yeah, coming back. My mood is doing jazz right now because of the shade. Just look at the color. I know I do not have a DSLR camera on anything on anything, but trust me, this color is amazing. I'm in love with the color. Okay, I can't just get enough of this color, so I'm just gonna do a little bit lines over here, so over the inner corner. So let's do this a little bit, because I know if I do too much it will get ruined. Now to intensify the green color, I'm gonna apply this green shade on the top of the eyeliner. So let's do this with precision. inner corners, I'm gonna take this shiny, it's a glittery green. I noticed that my camera is reading the makeup look, but trust me, this look is super gorgeous. Super gorgeous. I loved it. It's simple, it's quirky, it's amazing. In a nutshell, it is amazing. Don't worry, I'll show the pictures so you understand that I am not lying. My lower waterline, I'm using this white kajal from Wet n Wild. Yeah, just over here, so that my eyes look bigger. For my lower lid, I am again using this, taking this green shade. My eye makeup is almost done, and now I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. And now I'm taking this citrus shade from the Maybelline Lemonade Craze eyeshadow palette. I love this palette, but it falls out a lot. Yeah, just applying it over here and a little bit. Lastly, finishing my eye makeup with mascara. I don't wear eyelashes because I'm not an eyelash person. So yeah, and this Maybelline mascara lifts your eyelashes like hell. It's super amazing mascara. I always recommend this mascara if you are a beginner or if you're searching some affordable mascara. So you should buy this Maybelline New York Hypercurl mascara, and it's of rupees. It's under 300. It's under 300, and yeah, there are variants like it's not waterproof, still it works. It's like it's not waterproof, still it works, and there is another one which is waterproof, and that comes of rupees 300 or something. I don't remember the exact price. So can you see the volume of this lashes than this one? Can you see the difference? Can you just spot the differences? Yeah, that's what mascara does. So don't underestimate the power of a mascara. My face, last product I'm gonna use is a highlighter, because I don't use blush, and contouring and bronzing I don't do that much. Depends on my mood totally, but blush I don't use blush at all. So I'm jumping into highlighter. So I'm gonna take the citrus shade again from this palette, because it has some orangish tint, so it will work as a blush, highlighter, bronzer as well. Because my makeup is almost done, and right now I'm gonna quickly wear the sari. I'm excited to see the outcome, the result, how it looks. I hope it turns out well. So let's go. Okay, so mom's sari, mom's blouse. Yeah, pretty much this is my makeup and outfit. Now it's time to wear some jewelry. I already wore my watch. I'm gonna wear this lipstick. It's from Maybelline Liquid Sensational Matte in the shade Made Easy. So that's pretty much of my today's eye makeup and makeup. So the motive behind this video or the eye makeup is I want to convey a message that if I have got to hear a lot of things about putting makeup on Saraswati Puja specifically, and putting makeup in general, whatever. So I want to say that if anyone tries to belittle you by saying that why are you putting on so much makeup on Saraswati Puja, it's a puja, not your wedding ceremony or whatever like that, so tell them I have and I can. That's it. The end of discussion. So don't feel demotivated or don't feel guilty about it, because I don't feel guilty about putting on makeup on Saraswati Puja or in general, and I will continue doing the process. I'll continue putting on makeup until or unless I don't feel doing it anymore. So yeah, that's the end of the video. If you like this video, then please give a thumbs up and share with everyone, and please subscribe. So see you in the next video next week. Then stay tuned, stay healthy, and live gorgeous.